She stole $12,000 from an 80-year-old. The judge didn't yell. She made her face the damage instead.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 5888 State versus Anaya. All right, you entered a plea of guilty on October 16th. There was a request for a PSI. And according to your plea bargaining agreement, punishments be assessed at a cap of 8 years in the prison. And there's restitution of $12,000 to Mr. Holtzworth. And correct me if I'm wrong, I'm going from memory. This is a case where the complainant was told that their grandson, they needed someone to withdraw money to.
What Mr. Maurer represented to the court is correct. There was a federal prosecution.
Excuse me just a second. All right, I can see you're pregnant, so there's no need to
I'm not trying to show
Okay.
that off.
All right, thank you. You may continue. I'm not saying I'm going to deny it or grant it, but when are you going to have this $12,000? All right, here's my question. Do you have any loved ones?
Yes.
Mom, dad? All right, let's assume that someone's picking up the phone and calling you and saying, hey, your mom has been in this accident and we're going to arrest her unless $12,000 is paid. The person who's 80 years old and you scammed them out of $12,000, they're probably on a fixed income. They worked all their life to save that. And you came in because you didn't want to get a job and you wanted to build your happiness off somebody else's misery. So, all right. And I'm not saying I'm going to grant it, but what I'm saying, that would probably help your case tremendously for sentencing in February. And you need to have the $12,000 and you need to be here in court. We'll see you back on February 2nd. At that time, you need to come with $12,000. And state, does that need to be in cashier's check, money order?